Hare Krishna. So, devotional service in its pure pristine form is being described by Lord Krishna. और भगवान ने कहा कि अरे कल के श्लोक में कि the best form or the preliminary step actually to the best form is कर्म फल त्याग. जो इस अवस्था से ऊपर आता है और जो समाधि अवस्था में रहता है, भगवान में अपने मन और अपनी बुद्धि को समाविष्ट किए हुए है, ऐसे व्यक्ति के लक्षण क्या है, ऐसे भक्त के लक्षण क्या हैं? सो कृष्णा हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड अ लॉट अबाउट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डिवोटीज. वी सी इन सेकेंड चैप्टर कृष्णा डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट स्थितधि. Yes, स्थित प्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्तस्य केशव स्थितधि किम प्रभाषेत. We have many a times Krishna describing the qualities of his devotees. Second chapter he has described, 8th chapter, 7th chapter he has described, 9th chapter he has described, 10th, 11th he has described. Now again he says, what are the characteristics of a devotee? 2 shlokas. Yes, and actually from 13th onwards till the end, 20th verse of this chapter, we have only qualities of shlokas. So 13th verse, Krishna says, Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitrah karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankarah samadukha sukha kshami. One who is not envious but is a kind friend to all living entities. One who does not think himself a proprietor and is free from false ego, who is equal in both happiness and distress, who is tolerant. So we see this is how Krishna describes his devotee. Adveshta, dvesha. द्वेष अर्थात जब किसी के पास मुझसे कुछ ज्यादा है तब उससे द्वेष है. So, is it possible that a person who is a devotee is non-envious of everyone? Sarva Bhutanam, what does that mean? Sarva Bhutanam? Sarva Bhutanam means even those who consider a devotee his enemy. जो कोई भी एक भक्त को अपना शत्रु मानता है, उनसे भी वो भक्त शत्रुता नहीं रखता. तो शत्रुता नहीं रखता, जो उससे द्वेष करते हैं उससे भी वो शत्रुता नहीं रखता, उनसे भी वो द्वेष नहीं करता. नहीं, वो द्वेष नहीं करता. अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां. सो जो उससे द्वेष कर रहे हैं उनसे भी भक्त द्वेष नहीं करता. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी मित्रः, ही इज देयर वेल विशर. हाउ इज ही अ वेल विशर? He does not want anyone to go through a sorrowful circumstance because of him. हम देखते हैं जब भी भगवान का कोई भक्त होता है, उसके प्रति अगर कोई अपराध करता है तो वो भक्त उसे क्षमा कर देता है, लेकिन भगवान उसे क्षमा नहीं करते. We have seen this periodically in Bhagavatam also. So an offense committed at the lotus feet of a devotee, the devotee might not take a heed of it, but Krishna definitely punishes that devotee. So Karunah. So if someone is envious of a devotee, the devotee doesn't become envious of him, Maitra, and he doesn't want that person should go through encumbrances because of this devotee. So he does not have a revengeful mentality. आज तुमने मुझे ऐसा किया ना, मैं देख लूंगा. No, Karuna evacha. He himself doesn't seek revenge. He doesn't want Krishna also to punish that person. So Karuna evacha. And he is completely devoid of bodily designations. With respect to wife, children, house, bank balance. So that is what is referred to nirmama. Mama arthat and then nirahankara. Aham and mama. Aham is self. Mama is पति, पत्नी, बच्चे, माँ पिता, बैंक बैलेंस, घर, गाड़ी, व्यवसाय connected to me. So nirmama, he does not consider based on bodily designations that, oh, this person is wife, this person is husband, this person is father, mother, children. No, they are all souls, just like I am. and we are here to serve Krishna to the best possible way. Nirahankarah, he doesn't consider himself to be the body. Yes. So, and Sama Dukkha Sukha, he is equipoised. That is how he is fixed up in intelligence. And Kshami, he keeps on forgiving people. वो अपने मन में टेढ़ नहीं रखता किसी के प्रति. अगर कोई जहाँ बीत गई बात गई, रात गई बात गई, छोड़ते रहिए, let it go. कल भी हमने ये देखा था, unless one lets go, one will never be peaceful, and a devotee is always peaceful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare